Hello students, we are going to discuss about punctuation mark. You all know what is the meaning of punctuation mark? Yes, the symbols that we used in our sentence to give our sentence a proper meaning is known as punctuation mark. Why do we need it? What is the importance of it? So, it is important because it gives a proper meaning to our sentence. Okay, because if we will not use it properly or if we will misuse it in different places, our sentence will not only be wrong, it can also have an opposite meaning. Hence, it's very important to know the proper use of punctuation mark. Okay, students? So, this particular video concerns with few of the punctuation mark. You all are very familiar with these symbols, I hope. Now, capital letters. Capital letters are also a part of punctuation mark. What is the importance of capital letters? Why do we need to capitalize a letter? See, capital letter shows the importance of a word. So, where do we use it? Obviously, we use it when we start a sentence or a question. Then, with the name of a person or place, we write or we start it with capital letter. Language name, the name of any language starts with capital letter. Any subject's name starts with capital letter. And any nationality, when you are referring to, it also starts with capital letter. Days, months, special festivals or events, all these starts with capital letters. Then any name of books or movies, all these start with capital letter. And even the short forms like Mr., Doctor, Junior, Senior, these all words also starts with capital letter. Okay, so the main use of capital letter is to show the importance of that word. Name of river, ocean, mountain, continent, all these name also starts with capital letter. Now we use this punctuation mark quite commonly and we all know where do we use it. In a sentence, when we use a full stop, it means we give a long pause there. Okay, we will have to stop for a longer time. So, where do we use full stop? At the end of a sentence. Okay, we at the end of a sentence we use full stop. It's quite common. We also use it after initials, like if we write anything in short, at that time we used to write it in capital letter and after that we give the full stop. Abbreviations, there also we give full stop. At the end of the commands, means imperative sentence, also we use full stop, we end with full stop. And one more thing you have noticed that in any websites we say .com, www dot, there also it is full stop is used. So these are the few places where we use full stop. And we should remember that full stop means longer pause. Now, come to the next symbol. Yes, this is the symbol of comma. So, where to use comma? As we use full stop for longer pause, we use comma for small pause. So, where to use it? We use it to mention more than two things. Okay, when we want to say more than two things, we differentiate the things or items with comma. Where else do we use comma? In direct speech. When we start a direct speech, before starting the quotation, we give the comma. See, the example is given. Another use of comma is when we use or when we want to address anyone, and also when we reply anything in yes or no. At that time, also we use comma. Okay, so don't forget, when you are reading, when you find a comma there, you will have to stop for a while. Okay, that is the proper way of reading a comma. Now, next punctuation. Which sign is this? This is a sign of semicolon. Semicolon. The semicolon signifies a pause longer than a comma but shorter than a full stop or period. Okay, we will have to understand this, that there is a pause, but that pause should be longer than a comma, but it should be shorter than a full stop. Now, few points to know about semicolon. You use a semicolon to connect independent clauses that have similar ideas. Okay, means two independent sentences when they have a similar idea, but coordinating conjunction is not used there. At that time, we use semicolon. You use a semicolon in a list with additional information to make it clear for the reader. Semicolons show equality, colons show emphasis. Okay? For complicated ones. This is the difference between semicolon and colon. Use commas with a coordinating conjunctions. Don't use semicolons with a coordinating conjunction. We will have to keep this in mind. If there is a coordinating conjunction like and, so, for, nor, if there is this type of conjunctions, we will not use semicolon. Rather, we will use comma there. See, here we have two examples of semicolon. Okay, we should not capitalize the words after a semicolon. Means after giving a semicolon, we should not, it is not needed to use capital letter. Unless and until it is proper noun, we should not use them. Now, our uh, last punctuation in this video will be of double inverted comma. I hope you know the meaning of inverted commas. See, inverted commas with, it will start with two commas and it will also end with two commas. Okay, when we start the double inverted comma, we should also end them. When we are using it, if we are quoting what somebody is saying, when we are quoting their words, at that time we are using double inverted comma. Okay, and also when we are using some unusual expressions. So, I hope it will be understood by you all. Please try to understand properly, because punctuations are essential for our reading and writing both purpose. Okay, students, good luck and goodbye.